Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare mango kosambari. Mango kosambari is a traditional South Indian style salad that we serve during festivals, and we also offer this as a offering to God as prasadam. We have started to remove the stem part, chop it into tiny pieces. So my mother is starting to chop it into tiny. We need a semi-raw mango for this recipe, which has got light sourness and sweetness combined. The mango variety that I'm using is a Totapuri mango, which is very easily available, and we are at the fag end of the mango season. She is using a very sharp knife to chop this mango into tiny pieces. We are also including the skin part of the mango, which contains a lot of flavor and taste in Totapuri mango. This is split mung beans, which is washed twice and it is soaked in water. So this mung beans has to be washed thrice and soaked in water. This is roughly soaking about for half an hour's time, and it is almost tripled in size. That is when we have to drain the water and add it to the salad. We need to finely chop all the veggies and reserve it, and then we have to drain this mung beans and add it to the salad. About 1 cup of mung beans is what that I'm using for this recipe. It is already soaked, washed and drained and reserved. So it roughly takes about half an hour's time for the mung beans to soak. Mango, which is finely chopped. This is Totapuri mango. Finely chopped chilies, grated carrots, lime, Asafoetida, black gram dal and mustard seeds. We need finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped coriander and freshly grated coconut. So all the ingredients are finely chopped and reserved. I'm going to start tempering the mustard seeds first. We need to prepare this ahead of time and reserve it. I've heated a fry pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. This is on medium flame. Once the oil heats up, I've added the split black gram dal and mustard seeds. I'm going to allow the mustard seeds and black gram dal to splutter and stop spluttering. I've also added Asafoetida. Now at this point I've switched off the flame and I'm going to add the curry leaves. Now my tempering or the seasoning for the salad is ready. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to start mixing all the ingredients. I've added the soaked mung beans. Shredded carrot. Finely chopped cucumber. We have removed the seeds and skin part from the cucumber. Grated coconut and finely chopped coriander. We'll be mixing this salad first. We have not used any onion in this recipe. Now only before serving you have to add salt. Otherwise you mix all the ingredients and reserve it, and just before serving you can add salt and serve it. Otherwise all the veggies tend to release a lot of moisture and your salad will contain a lot of moisture. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. Also, like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is translated and posted on YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Now finally, I've added half a lime, which I've squeezed in, the tempering that I prepared earlier, and salt as per taste. Now I'm going to serve it up. I've given this a good mix and I'm going to serve it right away. This is a very tasty and very healthy salad. It pairs perfectly with South Indian meals, especially in Karnataka. Kosambari is something that they serve for a plantain leaf meal. I can proudly say this is a vegan salad. Do try this recipe. It's a very tasty and healthy salad recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.